Hiya, baby. No. I've had a biscuit. Good boy. No. It's unbelievable because we don't know what's going to come out of his mouth next. We really don't. We only taught him like the basic things like hello, thank you, bye bye. I want my dinner. Sometimes I'm actually stuck for words, really, because he's always got an answer. Always got an answer. And he also keeps the dogs in tow as well. He shouts at them, tells them to shut up and everything else. Seems to have my husband's voice. It doesn't matter what I teach him. He always speaks in my husband's voice, unfortunately. Because if anything happened to him, I would be left with Sparky, and Sparky's him. We were sitting one night and the police was in to see me about something. And Sparky being Sparky, he sat in the cage and the lady said to me, he says, "Are you okay?" I says, "I'm fine." I says, "What's wrong?" He says, "That bird's talking." I went, "I know." He says, "Have you heard them?" I went, "Uh-huh." I says, "I should hear them." He says, "No, have you heard them?" I went, "Uh-huh." I says, "How?" He says, "He's sitting in there going, oh, for sake, it's the effing police." He watches telly an awful lot, and I'm just wondering if he's picking it up from there. His favourite show is Still Game, because he'll sit there and he will watch it right through. He thinks it's great. My husband's taught him the Flower of Scotland, and he can do the first 4 lines so far. On YouTube, most of the people who actually contact us are very nice and fantastic. But you always get that one, always. This guy said God isn't pleased with Sparky Bird because he swears there's no room in heaven for Sparky. Somebody actually tried Bordeaux about a year and a half ago, and since then my husband said, he says, "I'm going to put some bars on to keep them out," he says, "because Sparky's at risk here." Britain's Got Talent. Well, we got an invite. They phoned as usual. Could you bring him up? Could you bring him up? We spoke about it. And we said, okay, we'll take him up and we'll see how he gets on. But once the actual cameras come out, that was it. He didn't speak at all, but he's really done well. He's done me proud.